Okay, it's December 10th now. It's 12:18 a.m. I have no hot water. It doesn't. I have no hot water. So I'm gonna light the water heater. This is what I'm gonna use. This is a lighter I found in the ground outside the other day. Some notebook paper, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing in lighting the water heater pilot light, but let's do it anyway, because I'm sure it'll make a good video and you'll all be entertained. So let's do it. I need my stupid flashlight now. Now, I don't know where the hell my flashlight is. Yeah, I don't know where the hell my flashlight is. Why am I not surprised by that? Well, okay, so I'll use my laser toy. I had two laser toys. One of them is missing, but I still have the one that has the flashlight on it. So if I had 3 hands, or if I can do a juggling act, if I grow another hand, then maybe I can handle all these things at the same time. Okay, so this is what it says. This appliance has a pilot light which must be lighted by hand. When lighting the pilot, follow these instructions exactly. Before lighting, smell all around the appliance area for gas. Be sure to smell next to the floor because some gas is heavier than air and will settle on the floor. I don't know. I don't smell any gas. Alright. What to do if you smell gas? Do not try to light any appliance. Do not touch any electric switch. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So lighting instructions. Turn gas knob clockwise to off position. Turn gas. Alright, so it's got a diagram here. Gas cock knob clockwise to off position. That's this knob here. It says pilot. It says pilot on pilot. Okay, turn it clockwise to off position. Like that. So there's off right there. Alright. Temperature dial. Turn temperature dial to lowest setting. Oh, it says vacation on it. How do you like that? Vacation. Yeah. Okay. Well, the lowest setting is what? I guess it's all the way off, right? It says it's got vacation. Oh, how cute. I guess that's if you're going on vacation. Wait 5 minutes to clear out any gas. If you then smell gas, stop. Follow B in the safety information above on this label. If you don't smell gas, go to the next step. Okay, so I gotta wait 5 minutes now. If I smell gas, and what does B say? Oh, it just gives you the thing about the okay, what I just read before. Okay, so now I don't know what the hell time it is. I gotta say 5 minutes. So let me climb out here again. Oh, here's my flashlight. Whoopee. 12:23. So say I give it till 12:30, or I don't even have to. So 12:28, right? As a matter of fact, what do you even say? All right, so I have a watch. So I'll bring my watch in here. It's 12:26 right now. All right, I'm gonna try it now. Okay, now the instructions say, remove both the outer and inner door from the heater. Follow the metal tube from gas control through door openings. The pilot is located on the horizontal leg of the larger tube. It's got a diagram here. The pilot is located on the horizontal leg of the larger tube or burner. Turn the gas cock knob counterclockwise to pilot position. Push down on the red button, which is this here, until it comes to rest. On top of control. Gas control. Alright. Well, anyway, on top of control, it must clear the notch provided in the gas cock knob. Yeah, what's that? This notch here? This notch. There's a notch right there. You can see it. Hold red button down and light the pilot with a match. Oh, you have to light it with a match. Oh, I don't have a fucking match. All I can do is light the paper like I lit the stove. Continue to hold the red button in for about 1 minute after the pilot is lit. Release button and it will pop back up. Pilot should remain lit. If it goes out, repeat steps 2 through 8. If button does not pop up when released, stop and immediately call your service technician or gas supplier. If the pilot will not stay lit after several tries, turn the gas cock knob to off and call your service technician or gas supplier. Replace the inner and outer doors. Turn gas cock knob counterclockwise to on. It's this one here. Turn temperature dial to desired setting. Okay, so let's start here. Follow the metal tube from gas control. Through door openings. What's this here? The pilot is located on the horizontal leg of the larger tube. This is the larger tube right here. What does this say? Oh, remove the outer and inner door. So I gotta remove the doors. I think this is one door right here. This one here. This is the inner door then, right? This is the inner door. This is the inner door here. Alright, I gotta put this down. Yeah, I don't see why this pilot light should be out. This is down. Okay. Follow the metal tube from gas control through door openings. The larger tube. So that's this tube here. I like it one, man. Turn the gas cock knob counterclockwise to pilot position. Push down on the red button. Oh, yeah. I don't know. Wait a minute. Turn gas cock. I'm not even sure I turned this off. Hold on. Where is this? Oh, like that. Oh. It is off. Okay. Alright. I'm not even sure where the hell the... Where is it? Yeah, see there's no flame in there, so it's out. So it's this tube here, so that's it. Alright. Turn the gas cock knob to pilot position. Alright, so we did that. Oh no, wait. To pilot. Oh. Alright. Let me see if I can do this. Let's get this lights here. No lights. It says push down on the red button. I can't push it. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh. Like this? Wait a minute. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, well. I have it lit. Okay, so now what? Okay, so I replaced the doors. Yeah. Yeah, this outer door was just always to the side like that. I don't know why. It's got spider eggs on it. Anyway, and this goes like this. Turn gas knob counterclockwise to on. Counterclockwise. And turn temperature dial. Oh, whoopee. Okay, so it kicked off. Hallelujah. Never a dull moment around here. Anyway. Alright, I'm gonna upload this. It's, wow, it's 24 minutes and 2 seconds.